Hey y'all, I'm Miranda, and I'm joining Creative Rods as they head to the Good Guys Car Show. Our first stop is in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we'll be there from April 26th through 28th. After that, we're headed to Nissan Stadium in Nashville, Tennessee, and we'll be there from May 3rd through May 5th. We can't wait to see you at the Good Guys Car Show.
What's going on over there?
Over where?
Over there.
They are fixing to lift the body and roll the chassis back under.
What is it?
Bronco.
Bronco.
2. 74.
There's the chassis. Got some nice wheels on her. Slow motion.
So good? I'd say it's off the lid. Come back up? Yeah.
So I'm replacing the grill, the headlight covers, the surround right here. Replacing it with these parts right here.
Oh
Nice and shiny and
yeah.
new.
That's billet, ain't it?
Yeah. Billet grill for the headlight covers. Oh yeah. Shiny.
Yeah. Past customer. You guys probably seen this car, 68 Camaro. Very nice. Beautiful paint job.
Sanding the 74 Bronco tailgate for Travis to paint next week. You want a good tech tip is water. There's never enough water when you're wet sanding. Soak it down and keep it wet. Use a good dry guide coat and do that more than once. You'll be very surprised if you do it more than once what you actually leave behind after you wet sand something. It is a very finicky process, but to get it the way we want it to look, we'll spray it down with some water.
So we looking for some paint soon on this bad boy.
Looking for some paint soon.
Big Block, what you working on today?
Ah, got a good old Oldsmobile fiberglass hood
Oh yeah.
with old scoopers on there. Just started on it a day or two ago. Since it's fiberglass, we go in and air file it down flat. Kind of shows all the imperfections. Then we go in and block it one time, and then any imperfections we find, we go back in and fix. And then block sand it, prime it, and let it rip, tater shit.
Did you have to do anything on the underside of the hood?
The underside was a mess, absolute mess.
This is an aftermarket hood, correct?
Yeah, it's after that. But see that right there will show you, so you can see how it's a different color. Shows a low spot, same thing like right here. Has a low spot there. And that's stuff we're looking for. Make sure we get it relatively straight. I mean, this particular vehicle ain't one of our big showstoppers, but it still has to be nice because we're doing it here at Creative Rods. So
Yeah. Ain't but one way to do it, brother.
that's right. Hopefully we'll get them done here soon. I'll look and see if we'll reach here. A little bit.
Tyler, what you doing here?
I am putting this plate in from the original body, I'm assuming. I actually don't know what the sticker is that's taped up. Travis gave it to me and said it needs to go in right here.
That's the original either sticker, like VIN sticker or whatever on these, so I think he cut it out from the previous body, so want to make sure it goes back in.
That's right.
Got a good start to it. We'll check back later on that.
All right.
Little update here. Man, that billet grill looks good, don't it? Lots better. Lots better. Hey guys, it's Vince. We're gonna take a walk back to the assembly shop. We've got a new truck in there that we're doing some paint correction work on. Really nice truck, so you guys will have to check it out. Uh-oh. We're getting the secrets. Getting Nate Dogg secrets.
No secret.
What you working on? 36 Ford?
Yep. Working on
Seat
the
cover.
Seat cover.
Little leather action. Coming together.
Trying to get it installed.
I hear you. Little Professor T back here. No? Yeah. He working on the 66 C10. Got the GTO in. Got some parts from a 60 MGA. We painted a while back. We're gonna polish up for the customer. Here's the cool truck we got in, LS. We'll put some headers on it. It's flat black. Got a little damage on the roof right here, a little spot. So we're gonna repaint that top and pinstripe it to make a break. Very nice interior. We'll respray the insides of the beds for them as well. It's a nice truck. Probably do some suspension work for him down the road. Make it ride a little bit better. Don't stop on me. I'm recording, dude.
Oh, I need the glue right now.
See, every time. Listen, every time we start filming, he don't like to show his tricks, does he? Golly.
You always catch me at the wrong time.
Hmm. Cool.